Students, today in this chapter we will learn about those cities which are situated on the banks of the river. So our topic is Indian cities or river banks. So here are the names of some cities and other sites rivers name. Okay, so we will match these cities with the river banks they are situated on. So India is a country of river and most Indian cities situated on the banks of some of the major rivers in India. Okay, यानी हमारा जो देश है वो नदियों का देश है. हमारे देश में बहुत सारी नदियाँ बहती हैं. सो हर इंडियन सिटीज़ जो हैं वो किसी न किसी नदी के किनारे पर स्थित हैं. तो यहाँ पे कुछ सो हियर आर द सम नेम्स ऑफ सिटीज़ और हियर आर rivers name. So we will match them. Okay, so first is Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is the situated on the bank of river Musi. Okay, it is clear. So second is Guwahati. Guwahati is the situated on the bank of river Brahmaputra. So next is Patna. So where is Patna? Patna is in Bihar. It is the capital of Bihar. Okay. So Patna is situated on the bank of river Ganga. Okay. Next है Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is situated on the bank of river Sabarmati. So where is Ahmedabad? It is in Gujarat. Okay. Next है Surat. Surat is situated on the bank of river Tapti. Okay. So next Nasik. Nasik is the situated on the bank of river Godavari. So where is situated Nasik? Maharashtra. Next, Ludhiana. Ludhiana is the situated on the bank of river Satluj. Okay. So number 8, Erode. Erode is situated on the bank of river Kaveri. Next है Kolkata. Kolkata is the situated on the bank of river Hooghly. First one is correct. Okay, Hooghly. So last one Agra. Agra is the situated on the bank of river यमुना. तो सुना होगा आपने कि आगरा जो है वो यमुना नदी के किनारे पर है. ओके, सो हियर फाइंड आउट सो विच सिटी इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर गोमती. सो आंसर इज लखनऊ. लखनऊ इज द सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर गोमती. ओके, इट इज क्लियर. ओके, थैंक यू.